From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast with your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. Another super summer week in the Smokies. Well, the time marches on. Dollywood's Flower and Food Festival has now ended. Of course, there are still flowers and food at Dollywood, but the attention will soon shift to the summer celebration that starts Saturday, June 14th. That's when the sun-kissed days segue into starry nights. You can discover summer's vibrant hues throughout the park, the kite sky, splash and play with sprinklers, interactive fountains, foam, and more, and then float over to the fan-favorite Gazillion Bubble Show, where family fun will pop. And you can let your adrenaline reach new summertime heights on the award-winning Big Bear Mountain. Dance and groove through Wildwood Grove. They've got their special nighttime dance party, and each night is sealed with a kiss. Dazzling fireworks and a drone show sparkling against the backdrop of the Smoky Mountain stars. And with the typical heat and eventually humidity that I've got in my forecast coming up, it's a great time to check out Dollywood's Splash Country. USA Today readers put it into their top 10, and who can blame them? Slides, pools, family-friendly splash zones all tucked into the shaded beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains. And from Pigeon Forge, we move on now to Gatlinburg and All-American Entertainment atop Anakeesta. The United Tastes of America is their summertime show filled with live performances, festive food, and mountaintop moments. The Sweet Tea Sisters put on a nostalgic, feel-good variety show that's inspired by classic old-time radio broadcast. And you can snap a patriotic photo with a larger-than-life Uncle Sam. And it says here they even have a flag-loving Bigfoot who goes by the name Harry Squatchington, by the way. Well, we've got some rainy days coming up next week, and maybe the time to pencil in a trip to Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies. They're celebrating 25 years of making memories. 2 levels of fun. You got Shark Lagoon there, Touch Array Bay, Stingray Bay, the Coral Reef, and the Penguin Playhouse. Speaking of water, I've got a lot of it in the latter part of this 7-day forecast. As we start the week on Monday, 85. There's going to be a front that moves through and brings us some showers and storms Monday evening into early Tuesday morning. That'll take some of the edge off the heat and humidity on Tuesday, and probably Wednesday pretty pleasant too. That heat and humidity coming back, upper 80s, then Thursday through the weekend. Afternoon storm chances on Thursday, some scattered stuff Friday, and it looks like it could be pretty wet on Saturday and Sunday. Between those 2 days, maybe an inch or 2 of rainfall coming to the Smokies. Hope you're coming back soon for another update. We'll be here at visitmysmokies.com.